Howdy there folks, welcome to my shop. So I just finished up this small EDC, thought you guys might want to take a look at it. This is one of the first kydex sheaths I've made. Very happy with the results. Retention's nice. This blade is made from 01 tool steel, black canvas micarta, mild steel pins, with a stainless lanyard tube. I made about half a dozen of this blade design. I'm pretty happy with it. I think I'm gonna continue to try to perfect it. Get it as perfect as I can anyway. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching.